India is a home to so many haunted places. You talk about any state, and there you will find one or the other place that is haunted. And when we talk about places, it is mostly the buildings which are haunted. So, in this video, we will be talking about some hotels which are haunted in India. I have taken 7 haunted hotels in India. Number 1, Trihant Hotel in Mumbai. Trihant Hotel will surely leave you amazed as the lift of this hotel will directly take you to the 14th floor and will skip the 13th floor. Sounds weird, right? There are a lot of hotels in Mumbai which totally avoid the 13th floor as there are a lot of stories about people hearing unnatural sounds and seeing things which cannot be explained. The number 13th is often related to evilness, and if you want to experience something that is unnatural, you ought to visit this hotel. Otherwise, you can skip visiting this hotel. Number 2, Pine Ridge Hotel in Darjeeling. Seeming to be straight out of a horror movie, Pine Ridge Hotel is yet another haunted hotel in India. Guests recalled that they heard some strange noises and felt that there was some incomprehensible movement on the first floor. It is said that the owner's son had passed away inside the hotel building and that it is believed to be haunted since then. If you still have the guts to spend a night at this hotel, known to be full of obscurities, to be prepared to be welcomed by whisperings and weird soundings of someone lurking around. Number 3, Hotel Rajkiran in Lonavala. If you are talking about the nearest gateway for any Mumbaikar, then it cannot be anything other than Lonavala. But for those people who stayed in Hotel Rajkiran in Lonavala, it turned out to be a regretful trip rather than a memorable one. Rumors to be believed, then a room on the ground floor which is haunted is behind the reception. People complained about sheets being pulled off when they were sleeping. They even noticed that some unwanted blue light is coming to their room. Now the authorities have stopped renting out that particular room. Number 4, Hotel Fern Hill in Ooty. This hotel rose to fame with Raz movie. The horror stories were believed to be true and the hotel was permanently shut down. The story goes that choreographer Sharoz Khan and her crew woke up one night on hearing the noise of rearrangement of furniture on the first floor. They tried to contact the reception, but the line was dead. Next morning, to their horror, the receptionist opted and pointed out there was no first floor in the hotel. And that's when the authority decided to shut down the hotel permanently. Number 5, Hotel Taj Mahal Place in Mumbai. What? Seriously? I know you must be wondering that this place is actually haunted or not, but yes, it is. It is believed to be haunted by its architect. He committed suicide inside the hotel when he got to know that the plan and construction is not according to his plans. People even say that he has been spotted loitering in the old wing of hotel. The luxurious stay and top services do not devoid the hotel of its spookiness. Number 6, Hotel Savoy, Mussoorie. The famous hotel of Mussoorie is believed to be haunted by Lady Garnet. In the year 1911, Lady Garnet Orme was murdered here. Apparently, she was poisoned and suffered a painful death. A few years later, her doctor was murdered too in the same manner, and still nobody knows who's the killer. It is believed that the lady hid in the corridors of the hotel, still looking for her murderer. A number of guests have reported incidents such as doors shutting on their own, unknown whispers, and some people even say that they have seen Lady Garnet herself. Number 7, Brij Raj Bhavan, Kota. This heritage hotel used to be the place for royal family in Rajasthan. It is said that this hotel is haunted by one Major Burton, which was killed along with his two sons in 1857. According to people over there, the ghost does not cause any harm to anyone. Instead, he just slaps the guard who doze off. This is quite funny, isn't it? If you really like this video, kindly share, like and subscribe. And hit the bell icon so that next time any video will be uploaded, you will be notified first. Thank you for watching.